Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Sandrika. Morning, good morning, good morning. Time to rise and shine. Morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're feeling fine. Anybody woke up to that song many years ago? It's time to get up, get out of bed. It's time to wake up your sleepy head. The day is dawning just for you, and all your dreams are coming true. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Luis. Good morning, Mercedes. I was not here yesterday because the day before I came in from a work trip. My car broke down in the middle of the highway and I had not slept the whole night. So I didn't sleep for 26 hours. And so when I went to sleep, I crashed. When the alarm went off in the morning for me to get up to trade, it was like, no. I was so tired and wasted that it was like, no, I don't think so. I don't think it's a good day to trade. So I slept in. And today is going to be short because the mechanic is coming to the house. Mechanic is scheduled to be here at 8:30. After consulting with somebody else and testing it, I think it's a timing belt. So I think I'm going to be all right. There was no oil on the bottom, nor fluid from the transmission. So I'm thinking it probably is the timing belt, which I don't think I had ever changed. And it's 10 years old. So that's probably it. Oh, but what a day. That was not nice. That was not nice. That was not nice. That was not nice at all. Taking a look at GU. Gave this setup to the team yesterday. I never did finish it. Never became clean enough. Oh, well, I mean, honestly, it would have been so tight because my zone would have been right there after that, and that would have been a nice breakout. I didn't do that. I did not do that. So now I'm stuck with the bigger picture. And if I really want to be safe, I'll be putting it way down here. That is so far though from the action, When it's broken the wedge now, I think that the USD is stronger than the GBP at the moment. It could drop, and it looks like it wants to drop. Looks like it wants to drop. I'm watching it for a few minutes. But at this point, I think I may wait until 8 o'clock. Make sure I got my lot sizes right. I don't mess up something. Okay, let me test my magic keys, which I probably have to change the battery now. Oh, it's not even on. Hold on. See, that's why you test things. That's why you test things, because you never know. Okay, let's test it again. There you go. Yeah, I'm tempted to take that sell. Been wanting to go down, but I should have already been in it. So it might have left without me. Let's look at gold. Gold is a nice consolidation. I want to put a trend line there. If it gets me a bearish candle, that might be good enough for me. It's already rejected resistance. What's it doing on the daily? Let's take a look at what it's doing on the daily. Gold is bullish on the daily. But is it just flagging to drop again though? It's got a big major zone down here from where it bounced already. It bounced already, pushed up, created resistance. I think it's already broken. It broke, rejected. Now it's testing it again. 4 hours bullish. Boy, if it climbs at 50, that will be nice and clean. 1 hour. So this could be bullish. 30-minute. Let's see this. Push. A little wick to the downside with a push to the upside would sell me on the buy. But I'm gonna have to be sold today. Worst thing that can happen is for me to be in a trade and the mechanic knocks on the door. That would not be good. Let's see, GBP JPY. GBP JPY looked nice last night. I think I sent the setup to the team. Yeah, we did this during class last night. We did these zones during class last night and they blasted through and now it's come back. Why did it come back? Well, it's at supply, right? We discussed that last night. We discussed that last night. Let me erase all this. It's the daily. 4 hour. So the daily again. You can see much clearer in the daily. Let's see. Let's see what it does with that. We know at some point it would turn around because again it was kind of on the high side, but we'll see. We'll see. That's a nice little trend line if it breaks it to the upside. Let's make that a little flatter. Yep. That's nice clean. Bouncing from support, let's say. Breaking the trend line, that could be a buy. But GBP is going to have to get strong because right now it's super weak. Yeah, it's super weak at the moment. But we know how that can turn around really quick. Take a look at GA. Wow, look at GA. Wow, let's go to daily. Daily is bearish. Crap. Daily is bearish. Maybe a head and shoulders kind of situation there. 4 hour bearish. reaching support pretty soon. Another area of support down here. Wow, 1 hour. $30-minute. Well, there's no structure. I mean, there was a little structure here, broke down from. It's been dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping. GBP is weak. The AUD is strong. Yeah, a nice little turnaround would be nice, but again, it's so bearish. There's so much bearish pressure right now. So looks like the Dixie wants to go. Go, Dixie, go. Go, Dixie, go. Go, Dixie, go. Do I have a 30-minute? I don't have a 30-minute close yet on gold. GU seems to want to come down. It's tempting, but without volume. Good morning, Abes. Good morning, Winston. Yeah, I think that's a good idea, Mercedes. Wait. It was a good plan. It could wick down really hard and bounce from here and then take off to the upside. It's just best to be in the correct direction, you know. Catching the right direction is better to me than catching a scalp. I mean, you can catch a scalp pretty much any time of the day, almost. But when you get the impulse move from volume when the 8 o'clock opens or the NYSE, when you get direction right, that thing can run. So that's what you want. How's everybody? Everybody getting ready for Christmas? Already started my Christmas shopping. Oh, sorry, I'm still tired. I didn't get a lot of rest yesterday either. Yeah, I'm liking GJ better than GU. Go over there. I'm liking GJ better. The 5-minute, we have some real nice consolidation. Nice little support created. Bounce, bounce. What I would like to see, again, this is just my preference, but you can't tell the market what to do, right? What I would like to see is for price to come down. And it may not, I mean, I have it because of these wicks over here, but in reality, you may have support already over here. But I would like to see it come and wick down here and then go up. Start breaking structure to the upside. That would be nice. That's what I would prefer to see. It is just cleaner, I think, than GU. Take a quick look at GU. Is the one that I had. Oh, GU is already bouncing up. Yeah, this is what GU looks like. That's what GU looks like. And this is GJ. I just like GJ better. It's cleaner. It's a whole lot cleaner. That would have been a nice sell grab right there. There. That's the more conservative or the more aggressive. But in any event, I think that GJ looks cleaner. Let's move to GJ. Since I gotta move, let me take out. I don't even want the possibility of trading GU if I'm in GJ. So let me move that. This is pretty. It's pretty. Remember that there's a lot of pressure to the downside though. It could just bounce from there and just keep going down. So just taking a look, just keeping an eye. Hey, hey, hey. That's great, Mercedes. We're aterrizando donde? You going to Chicago? You going to JFK? You coming to Miami? Where are you going? Yeah, Jones. It's been a lot cleaner. GJ has been a lot cleaner than GU. I like GU because of the spreads, but if it's not clean to trade, then what's the point? When the spreads are not as great. Let me go look at right now what the official spreads are. So on GJ, practically the same as GU right now. A point two more. So GBP is 0.3 and GJ is 0.6, let's say a 0.5. They're fluctuating, obviously, they're fluctuating all the time. So okay. That's a faster trip going to JFK. I gotcha. Trader Joe's, man. Yeah, we finally got a Trader Joe's in Miami. Actually, we got a couple now. We got one in Miami, we got one in Pembroke Pines. When I go to LA, Trader Joe's is the place to be. That's one of the first things the crew did as soon as we landed in LA. Head over to Trader Joe's and stock up. Well, we got news coming up. Yeah, we got some news coming up at 8:30. We got several folders, but none of them are read. Tomorrow we got some more. I want to wish my beautiful daughter Victoria a happy birthday on her 25th birthday, if she happens to be listening. Hey Victoria, this is your papi here broadcasting live to the world, and I'm wishing you a happy 25th birthday. Love you, miss you, can't wait to see you. God bless you, my beautiful daughter. May the blessing of the Lord always be with you, opening doors for you, surrounding you with faithful friends, and blessing your life with health. I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah. Okay. Not much happening. Not much happening at all. Just hanging out and waiting. Gold has not moved from that spot. To be honest, as bearish as it has been, I would rather see a buy on both GJ and gold. I mean, the buy on GJ is cleaner, right? Because it's at support. The buy here is not as clean because it's at resistance. The Dixie is at resistance, and so one of these two has to give. And I'm tempted to already be in the buy on GJ, but I've got to wait at this point. And for those of you who weren't here, yeah, I got a mechanic coming to the house at 8:30, so I don't know how much longer I'll be here. I don't think he needs my attention, but I may have to walk away from the desk. My wife is resting. She came in from Buenos Aires yesterday, so she's a bit tired. Nothing happening. Nothing happening. On which time frame? On which pair, Jones? Talking about the swing high, swing low, swing high. It's the shallow 38.2 from there. If you do that, yeah, that's 61.8, yeah. So in either event, it seems that it wants to go up. The problem is that on the higher time frame, well, it's bearish at the moment, but it was bullish yesterday. So it could be looking to break the high today. It's bearish But nice little morning star there. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's clean, clean, clean. Look at that. Look at that nice little row. That's beautiful. It's pretty. I think we're good. So yeah, I think we're good. We may be looking at buys. Hopefully that's what we, excuse me, hopefully that's what we're looking at. There's gold two turning around. 5 minutes to the 8 o'clock. Yeah, I saw it, Jones. Depending on where you mark it from, this is the last pullback. Well, there's another pullback here, but pullback here that gives you a 61.8, and from here is a shallow retracement 38.2. So in either one of those, it seems to be talking bullish. There goes gold turning bullish. I'm tempted to go down to the 5 minute and go see what the 5 minute looks like. En el orito, ¿cómo estás, orito? Oh yeah, yeah, it turned bullish a few minutes ago. Let's see, when it broke that high. Let's see. I guess that's only like 30 points or 40 points at the moment from when it turned. At this part of the game, I just gotta wait for the 8 o'clock and perhaps even the 8:30. Remember that we're in the middle of holidays season, and so you gotta be quick about it. Can't linger. Market can be volatile. It can be unpredictable. Like right now, it just rejected that 5 minute rejected again. From gold. What happened to my music? It'll come back here in a minute. I think. Yeah, GJ is tempting. GJ is tempting. And again, I would like it to come down, wick down first, then break the high. And then I'd be interested. Morning, Mohammed. Yeah, on the 15 minute, I think we got a buy signal already in the 15 minute. Two minutes. My music did go away. What happened to you, buddy? Maybe it's coming up just to retest to go down. So waiting on volume. Excuse me. One minute. Here it comes. Yeah, it's stronger right now. That's about to change here in a minute. Or it could get stronger and GBP going back to being weaker. But the open of New York is probably gonna cause one or the other to happen. And when it comes to this now, price action, I'm paying attention to the candles. Okay, there's the open. I'm not in any rush. I'm gonna wait. I gotta see it. Give me my signals. Okay, coming down is a good thing for gold, especially if it then starts wicking up and going up. I'm gonna focus on the Dixie and gold. I mean, not the Dixie and gold. GJ and gold. That gold making it move up. Let's keep that from there. Let's open this up. There we go. Well, it's looking like buys. Got multiple wicks to the bottom. Be very patient though. Are we selling instead? Looks like we may be selling instead. Concerned about all this noise over here. If it comes down. If it comes down, I want to see it break out and close. Oh, there goes gold. There goes gold. Is gold faking us out? What's gold doing? It'd be beautiful now if it breaks the highs. Let me keep my phone on in case Mr. Mechanic contacts me. Hey, Mercedes. Doug Parker is retiring. Bye. Bye, Mr. Parker. Yeah, come on, bye. Bye already. That's what we want to see. Still not convinced of direction. See a little move down, trying to induce sellers. Or he's going to sell one of the two, but right now, still holding. He's holding pretty good. Okay, here comes the next 5-minute candle. Now that's green. Let's see what that does. Okay, let's see. Am I buying GJ? Am I buying GJ? Am I buying gold? Am I buying GJ? Am I buying gold? Am I buying GJ? Which one am I buying? Am I buying? Am I buying at all? It looks tempting. GJ, still waiting. Still waiting. For the definitive answer to the question. I think GJ wants to buy. And gold is faking like it wants to buy. Okay, it's rejecting again. 5 minutes rejecting on the same place for GJ again. Ooh, not good for buys. Yeah, I don't think anybody at AA is sad that he's leaving. Good riddance. Now, is Robert Isam, is he American or is he US Air? Okay, let's see. Is it gonna break above? Are we breaking, GJ? Are we breaking, GJ? GJ, are we breaking, GJ? GJ, we breaking? I'm asking. It wants to go. It wants to go. It wants to go. Just teasing, teasing, teasing. Okay. I bought GJ. Let's see what we get. Stop loss. Pretty tight. It's below the previous red candle on the 5 minute. That's pretty tight. So let's see what we get. Something like this. Something like this. Oh, that's like a 1 to 10. That's like 1 to 10. Let's see what happens. I'm up like a pip and a half. That's what I don't like about the spreads on GJ. I should have been up like 5 pips already. But instead, at the most, it gave me like 1. Okay, is gold buying? Is gold buying? Not yet. It could be, Luis. I'm just looking at the price action. And the structure. Let's see if it holds. Just barely positive at the moment. I'm up like 3 pips. Let's go buying. So go wants to buy. Right now it's rejecting this spot again. You know, for all its bravado to the upside, gold still has a whole bunch of rejecting wicks on the 5 minute. So it seems to me that gold wants to sell. Canada is super strong. Goodness gracious, I just noticed. Still holding my little trade that could. Let's see if it can climb the 50 on the 5 minute. Yeah, I'm good either way. I mean, it's a very tight stop loss. So for me, so. I'm good either way. But honestly, I should have been up like 10 pips by now. And if you want to be super safe, then I would put the stop loss all the way down here. But the way I see it with volume, it should just keep going. Unless it fakes me out. You know, it could always fake out here and then drop. It could do that. Depending on the fact that it was support before and it's bounced from it. So it wants to keep going up. Struggling with this little area here. Okay, still looking at this baby. Let's see what it does. I'm blue again. Blue, red, blue, red. Blue, red, blue, red. Blue, red, blue, red. Ooh, I don't have my magic key open on gold over here. Okay, there you go. All right, it's up again. Up again, down again, up again, down again. Yeah, we do have a double top already happen, but now it's rejecting this down here. So, but on the 5 minute, it's still looking like sales, but it could be, you know, on the 5 minute, it could just be a bullish flag. On the 5 minute, it could just be a bullish flag. See? maybe flagging to take off. You know, impulse. It's very shallow retracement from this move or this one, either one. We'll see. Rejecting again. You know what would be nice is for the mechanic to knock me go away and come back to TP. That would be very nice. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I mean, I'm looking to catch like 60 pips. 60 pips with a 6-pip stop loss. That's pretty good. Is there anything that would impede it going? Well, there's a little, perhaps there's a little resistance here. Oh, there's more resistance over here. Let me mark that up. Let me mark that up. Gotta be wise. Wise about this, Robert. Wise. Gotta be wise about this. Let's open that up. Yeah, so it's gonna run into that first. How many pips is that? Okay, so around 25 pips. Around 25 pips, it'd be time to take at least partials. Okay, gold is selling. Gold is selling at the moment. GJ can make up its mind. Hey, Billy, good morning. Yep, gold is selling. Let's look at the higher time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hours is plain consolidation. Daily is bullish. 1 hour, 30 minutes. At the moment it's selling. At the moment it's selling, but it doesn't mean that this can't just turn around into a big wick. Right? Hey, I'm up 2 pips. Hey, 3 pips. I'm up 3 pips. What a struggle. There you go, 5. Maybe it's made up its mind. Let's see. There you go. It's always good to be on the right side of the market. I guess I'll set my TP at 25. Man, I really like to get those 60. I would really like to get those 60 pips. Yeah, I got it around 20, 21, my TP now. As soon as it hits about 10 pips, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. It should not come back. At this point, it should not come back. In fact, I'm moving my stop loss even tighter now. There goes gold. Yeah, my stop loss now is 3 pips. It should not come back. And if it does, I want it to take me out ASAP. I'm not messing with it. Boom, nice sell on gold. Goodness gracious, look at that drop. Yep, that was nice. Beautiful, beautiful drop. Ahorita está cayéndose. Se cayó el orito. See how it reacts at the 50 there. Enemy seem to be slowing down. Yeah, that break, that impulse move on gold was 22 pips. That was nice. Yeah, it's really slow right now. I'm going to say this. You're right. Well, my GJ is struggling at the 50 on the 5-minute. Went up 5 pips. And now it's down to 2, 1 and a bit. It's struggling. I don't want to enter gold now because now it's extended and my entry should have been up here. I'm thinking my mechanic is going to knock on my door anytime now. Because the daily is bullish, I'm expecting it to bounce and then start making a move. We'll see if that's the case. Nice drop. Congratulations on those who took the sell on gold. Very nice. That was very nice. That's good, probably 40 pips now. I'm still over here struggling with my GJ. Trying to pedal real fast. Super slow movement. Super slow movement on this GJ. Goodness gracious. Back up 4 pivots. 5 pivots. I'm up 5 pivots. Beautiful drop on gold. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty, very pretty. Oh. Back to 5 pivots on GJ. You know, GJ is struggling because the GBP is so weak. Wants to go up, but so weak. All right, we got like 4 minutes to the 8:30 candle. Let's see what that brings us. How's Dixie? Is Dixie flying? Not flying yet, but it wants to go. Okay, if the Dixie rejects here, we'll take a quick look at it. Yeah, if the Dixie rejects here, gold will shoot up. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. My little trade that can't as of right now. It's not doing much. Gold making continuation move. Then a little 5-minute pullback, and now it's making a continuation move. Oh, wow. Now it rejected the bottom. It's really fighting to stay. Really fighting to stay there. Oh, my GJ is about to hit stop loss. My GJ is about to hit my stop loss. I'm gonna let it. Yep, took me out. Took me out. Lost 3 pips. That's okay. Can handle that. This is obsolete. We may be selling. Keep an eye on this baby. Keep an eye on this baby. Two minutes to 8:30. I'm counting the minutes to 8:30 because again, my mechanic's supposed to be here. So at 8:30. See if we get a pin bar on gold in the 5-minute. I mean, a nice little doji here, nice little turnaround doji. That wouldn't be too bad. Am I being biased? A little bit, right? Because it's bullish on the daily. So we kind of know that it's going to turn around at some point. Okay, I may be selling GJ. It would be a premature entry right now because it hasn't broken the lows. But having rejected the high, you see what it prints like. We got 6 seconds left. Okay. Just open. Okay. Yep, I'm taking the sell. Took the sell on GJ. If that fails me, I'm done for the day. Stop loss above the previous wick. Take profit somewhere down here. It's already going to struggle. It's going to struggle. Once it gets down here, it's going to fight for a little bit. It's messy down here, you know? It's messy. That's a very early entry. And again, you know, weird. I should be up 5-6 pips already. I'm up 2 pips now. You know, oh, there goes gold. That's beautiful. Beautiful drop. Beautiful drop. And rejection, of course. At the bottom of the zone. It's a fight. It's a fight. Excuse me. Where can gold go? Rejections down here. That's a whole bunch of pips. So a whole bunch of pivots. You see the structure on G. Okay, I see it. I see it. How many is that? That's 10. 16. Yeah, about 16, I guess. The bottom of that wick is 16. I don't know that I want to hold it more than that. I'm talking about GJ. Go further than that, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, this is like super slow. Well, other than gold, gold was nice. Gold was very nice. Once it made its move, gold was nice. I think I hear somebody out there. Oh, that could be the trash people. Let me tell you something. This is one boring morning. Well, again, gold acted nicely. That was nice. I wasn't in gold, was it? In fact, I was in the wrong direction. 4G. Funny. Look how it stopped exactly at the bottom of that right there. We're talking about zones last night. I was talking about, no, it wasn't top-down analysis. What I was talking about in class yesterday. And drawing these zones, that was critical to draw these zones correctly. Once again, there we go. I mean, it stopped right on the dot. Once you know how to draw these, the game becomes easier. I was trying to gather impulse so I could keep going down. Up 3 pivots. So gold wants to keep going. Hey, I already got my money back. 6 pivots. 7 pivots. Let's go, GJ. 7 pivots. Don't cheat me now. Especially after that beautiful wick, we should get a continuation at least to the bottom, right? Should get some continuation at least to there. Do. Nice move. Mercedes, you called it. You called it on gold. Beautiful. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. Muy bien hecho. Muy bien hecho, chica. Muy bien hecho. Buenos días, Daniel. Daniel slept in. Messing around with you, Daniel. Okay, I'm up 8 pivots. $10 pivots. Moving my stop loss to break even. Now, 13 pivots. I have my take profit at 16 pivots. 13. Here you go, 13. A little push, just a little more push, just a little more push. 15. Come on. Should I take it? This is where it gets tempting, right? To take it. It's right there. It's right there. Come on. It's right there. You can do it. You can do it. Darn thing's pulling back. Gracious, goodness gracious. So close. So close. Oh, there you go. It's pushing again. Let's try it. If you can't break it this time, I might take it. Come on. Come on. 13.4, 13.7. And back to 12. 13, 14. Can it do it? Can it do it? Can it do it? It's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling. Of course, the moment you take it, then it really runs, right? Oh my gosh, the tension. The tension. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break that bottom? It's rejecting again. It's rejecting again. Oh no. Yeah, that would have been the one where I would have taken it already because again, it keeps rejecting that spot. Not a new candle, by the way. It's just the same candle, it just keeps rejecting it. Got 3 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close. I'm expecting it to make its push and break it. If it doesn't, I may take the profit at whatever it's got it, just because the next 15-minute candle could turn around on me. It is at support. We'll see. See, it's rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. Yep, completely rejected that spot. Completely rejected that spot. Let me turn around now. Let's see. Oh yeah, my phone keeps buzzing and it's not the mechanic. Stop it already. Ooh, gold making a move up. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, it came within a pip of my TP and it retraced. I took partials, so I got some in my pocket, and the next is at break even. So basically, I'm already positive. Didn't lose any money for today, but it looks like it's going to bounce now. Let's see what this does. If it breaks if this breaks the previous 5-minute high, I'm gonna have to take it, even if it's just whatever it is. Let's see what it does. It's pushing down again. It's coming down again to test that spot. But when a 50-minute candle starts going in the downwards direction, if it turns around, it's not good. Okay, so here you go. Here you go. Here you go. It's making us move again. $10 pivots. Back at 10. Keeps rejecting that spot. Having a problem with getting into TA? You mean TTA? Did you pay for the subscription? Still struggling here. Yep, turning green, about to turn green on me. I'm out. If it turns green on me, I'm out. Yeah, it went all the way back to 10 pips and then it bounced again. Keeping an eye. Is it not taking your credit card? By the way, I have nothing to do with subscriptions, Blonded. I have nothing to do with it. So you will need to continue to try to get a hold of them. Message management at trendtrading.academy. Management at trendtrading.academy. They should be able to help you. Gold look like it wants to turn around. My GJ seems to be backing up on me. And I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Seems like buys are coming now. We'll see. We shall see. Well, yeah, if she's not in it yet, then she wouldn't have access to that Jones. Yeah, buys are coming, it looks like. At least it's buying now. Don't mean that doesn't mean the buys are here. Well, it's a break-even kind of morning. Made a little profit, but not anything to brag about. Yeah, it's a break-even kind of morning for me. Was up almost 15 pips after losing 3, but it didn't hit my TP. I had my TP just below that wick, like a pip below. And it didn't work. It didn't work. No, Billy, if the next 30-minute candle on gold comes back inside, then yes, that will be a fake out. Same thing over here. This never did break out. It's the reason why I had it all the way down here, because I could have put it right over here, but there's this wicks down here telling me that this is a safer zone. I took an early entry on the sell to try to catch it to this wick, which is exactly what it did, but it missed taking my profit by like up 1 pip. You know, it is what it is. No reason, no need to cry over spilled milk, as I said. Ooh. Yeah, this pullback would have taken me out right there. So Might as well take the little bit of profit that I could have taken, but it's a break-even kind of day. Not much to talk about here. Now, this could be the break of the trend line finally going to happen here. We shall see. Gold is finding support. This is a 5-minute support. Could you take a buy as it breaks these wicks to the upside? Perhaps, but then you're buying into resistance, into potential resistance. So it will be a higher probability trade if price comes back inside the zone and then take it to the upside. Going back to my conversation, was it yesterday in class? Or was it was it before? You know, if the trade turns around on you, no reason to stay in it. You know, I was in this buy over here, right? And I guess I could have put in my stop loss down here and it would have never hit it, you know? But again, I'm a scalper. So, you know, trying to maximize my position. So I put my stop loss right below that wick, which it should have not violated, but it did, came down. Now that it's made this move up, you know, as it's coming back up after I'm in the sell, if it's coming back up, I don't need to wait for this to break my high to tell me I should get out. I should just get out. The price action is not in my favor. You know, the only thing I could have done here is held on to my buy, and basically it would be back at break even now. But again, if the price action is not acting right, no reason for me to stay in the trade. I can always get back in. No biggie, you know, I can always get back in. It's not confirmed direction as of yet. And gold did drop, but it has failed to continue. And you can tell why. I mean, this is kind of busy down here. So let's see what the 9 o'clock candle brings, but I'm going to be out by 9. I need to go out there and see if a mechanic is out there. Give him 7 more minutes. Make sure he hasn't texted me. See nothing. Let's look at the higher time frame, the 1 hour on this action. Still bearish. Daily again. Daily is now bearish on gold. 4 hour bearish. 1 hour bearish. Bearish, bearish, bearish. So if based on this price action right now on the 5-minute, if this was above here in the zone, I would be entering already for a buy. But it's below the zone. Gotta get back in it. GJ making like he wants to buy again. I'm not getting it. Well, this could be confirmation of the buy that I was talking about, but again, I got 5 minutes and then I'm off. I'm off the channel. Gotta find my mechanic. Gotta get my car fixed. Oh, There's my mechanic calling. Hold on, guys. Oh. Ramón, buenos días. Okay, salgo ahora. Okay. All right, guys, time for me to go. You got the zones, you got gold acting. If gold comes back inside the zone, you can take it to the upside. This looks like it's turning into a buy now. If it breaks through here, breaks the high, it could continue. Remember, there's resistance there. That's all I got. Gotta go. Take care, guys. I hope again that you have a good day, and I will be here back tomorrow most likely, although there's lots of news. So we'll see what happens. I may not. Okay.